Assalamualaikum students, hope so will be fine. Today we will learn how particles are arranged in three different states of matter, that are solid, liquid and gas. First of all, we will compare the arrangement of particles in solid, liquid and gas. The particles of solids are arranged in a highly ordered manner. It means the solid particles are arranged in regular pattern like this. The liquid particles have an irregular pattern. In case of gas, the gas particles are scattered throughout the available space. That's why the gas particles have no regular arrangement. Now we'll compare the distance between the particles of solid, liquid and gas. The solid particles have little spaces between them. In liquid, the liquid particles have much spaces as compared to solid. The gas particles are very far from each other like this. Due to the little space between the solid particles are tightly packed and they are not easily compressible. Compressible means the solids are not easily squeezed or pressed. The liquid particles or liquid are difficult to compress. Liquids are compressible, but they are difficult to compress. Gases are easily compressible due to the large spaces between the particles of the gases. The solid particles do not move, they just vibrate at their mean position. The liquid particles vibrate and also move, while the gas particles move freely. They move from one place to another because large spaces are present between the gas particles. Solid particles have less energy. That's why they just only vibrate at their mean position. While the liquid particles have more energy as compared to solid particles. The gas particles have highest energy and they move freely from one place to another. And gas particles collide with one another and the walls of the container due to the highest energy. Now we will read the paragraph. Particles in a solid are usually arranged in a regular pattern like this. Are tightly packed, it means that there is very little space between them. Therefore, solids cannot be compressed easily. Vibrate about a fixed position or mean position, but do not move from place to place. Have less energy than liquid and gaseous particles. Particles in a liquid are arranged in an irregular pattern like this. Are close to each other. This means that there is not much space between them, just enough for them to slide over each other. Therefore, it is also difficult to compress liquids. Vibrate, move about and slide past each other. Have more energy than the particles of solids but have less energy than particles of gases. Particles in a gas have no regular arrangement, are placed far apart from each other, therefore they are easily compressible. Move freely at high speed. Have the highest energy compared to the particles of solid and liquid. Now we will move toward the exercise and discuss the question. Question number 4, part 1. Which one of the following correctly describes the behavior of particles in solids? Option A, arranged in an irregular pattern. Vibrate, move about and slide past each other. Are tightly packed and vibrate about a fixed position. Have no regular arrangement, move freely at high speed. Option B is the correct answer of this statement. Part 3 of question number 4. Draw diagrams to show the arrangement of particles in a solid, a liquid and a gas. And the answer on page number 62. Basically, these diagrams show the arrangement of particles in solid, liquid and gas. Okay students, hope you will understand. Thank you for listening.